Hello, it's me again, CJ White. There was there was a squirrel out there playing around, and I was gonna record it, but by the time I got this set up, it scampered away. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe and hit that bell icon down there below the video so you can be updated next time you get a notification next time I go upload a video if you like my content. And the reason I asked you to do that, if you'd do that, you'd be doing me a favor, because YouTube lets YouTube know to push this video out to more audience to grow my channel. And eventually I'm going to be doing better videos. Right now I'm kind of limited on what I can do because of where I live, but I'm planning on moving eventually. When? I don't know. Hopefully by the end of this month. When I say end of this month, this is May the 4th. So hopefully we'll be moving, because back in the back they're building something back there. It's going to cause a lot of neighbors, and I'm a country hillbilly style person. I want to turn the camera around and show you a few birds, whatever, wildlife. I'll just say wildlife because there could be a squirrel that pops out there. I don't know. There was one out there just before I got this set up, so just bear with me. Okay, there's a squirrel beside that tree. I'm going to have to zoom it in. Not a squirrel, but a bird. Wow. Brightness of that sun, I can't really get a real good view of the bird. Oh, let's see. Oh, there's a couple of them down there. Oh, robins. You hear all them birds singing. I just love listening. Get up in the mornings and listen to the birds. I don't know where that. No. There they are. Well, let me get my cord out of this tangle so I can walk out there. Okay. Let's see. What we got going on back there? I need to get me a better camera than what I have, because this camera, unlimited on my battery, don't stay charged up. But back there, they're putting something in. They're already, I don't know if you can see it because of the brightness of the skies. But anyway, they're gonna put something in back there. It's gonna cause a lot of neighbors and stuff, and I don't like that. That's why I live out in the country, choose the country, get away from everybody. Listen to them birds. Beautiful. I'm hoping I can find me a place to live. I look out the side, the left side of the house window, and this is all I see. I look at the back side, backyard of the house, this is all I see. Look on the right side of the house, that's all I see. Look in front of the house, that's all I see, except my drive. No neighbors. No disruption. Oh, the trees are so full I can't get it. I can't get that bird on video. I like getting birds on video. Let me find out what's going on with my cord. But one of these days I'm gonna get one of them GoPro cameras. So I don't have to worry about having this plugged in all the time. Oh, Lord of mercy. Have mercy. But for right now, it's a good place to live for right now. But when I get done back there, that's when I want to be out of here. I'm looking at a couple of places, hopefully, that I might get. But it doesn't look like I'm going to get it. But that's the way it goes. You win some, you lose some. But one thing about it, good grief. Y'all gonna have to bear with me. Got this all tangled up. Okay. Oh, have mercy. Here we go. Well, there we go again. Gotta get this off of there. Alright. That off of there. Lord have mercy. Alright. Let's see. Y'all just gonna have to bear with me. I'm having difficulties with this. That's the only thing I don't like about okay. The only thing I don't like about having to keep your camera plugged in all the time. Okay, you can see it better now. See where they're digging, cleared out my blackberries, bushes. They destroyed my blackberries, destroyed my poke. Then I'm gonna have to find me another place to go blackberry picking and poke hunting. They just destroyed that. My daughter Rabbit and I used to go. The guy that used to own that field there, he gave us permission, access to that field. He's a real friendly type of person. Lived in Indiana or somewhere, and he'd come down once a month and bush hog that down. And right over there, you can't see it right now too good, but you can see where they baled some hay back there, still standing. See, it's about where them three trees is right there. Well, doing it again. Them three little bushes lined it up there. There's a bale of hay back behind that he used to bale up before he sold that land. And new people come in and destroyed it. So I guess we're gonna be trying to find us a new place to live, 'cause